what if your first $100 online isn't months away, but just one smart weekend from now? In 2026, people are getting paid for skills they learned yesterday. The real question isn't, can you make money online? It's which opportunity you'll spot before everyone else does. Let's start with the fastest reality check. Friend number 1 spends 3 hours watching top 10 side hustles. Friend number 2 spends those same 3 hours offering a simple service online. Guess who reaches the first $100? Usually the second one. Action beats perfect planning every time, something author James Clear repeatedly emphasizes through tiny, consistent actions. First, offer AI-assisted tasks like resume polishing, caption writing, or spreadsheet cleanup on freelance platforms. Second, edit short-form videos for creators who post daily but hate editing. Third, design simple thumbnails using free tools. None require years of experience, just practice and fast delivery. Here's the trick most beginners miss. Don't sell skills, sell outcomes. Nobody buys Photoshop, they buy more clicks. Nobody buys writing, they buy better applications. That tiny mindset shift alone often doubles your chances of getting hired. But the next methods become even faster because they don't always require finding traditional clients. Imagine 2 roommates. One spends weeks building the perfect online business. The other flips unused digital assets this weekend and pockets $80 before Monday. Who actually learned more? Fourth, sell digital templates like study planners, Notion dashboards, or budget trackers on online marketplaces. Create once, sell repeatedly. Fifth, become a virtual assistant for busy entrepreneurs handling emails, scheduling, or basic research. Many only need a few hours each week. Sixth, test websites and apps for usability. Companies pay because confused users cost them real money. Research from the Nielsen-Norman Group has consistently shown that usability problems directly reduce conversions, making honest feedback surprisingly valuable. Here's another overlooked opportunity. Repurpose long podcasts into short clips for creators chasing attention. One recording can become 10 videos, and that's exactly what many clients want. Funny enough, your phone's storage might be emptier than your wallet, but with the right workflow, it can quickly start fixing that. The final 4 ideas become even more scalable. Seventh, translate or proofread content if you know 2 languages, even at a basic conversational level. Businesses care far more about clear communication than fancy vocabulary. Eighth, sell print-on-demand designs without touching inventory. One clever idea can quietly earn while you sleep. Ninth, manage social media comments or community pages for small brands that don't have time. And 10th, teach one simple skill through short online tutoring sessions. Maybe math, gaming, guitar, or even software basics. Remember the philosopher Seneca, who believed luck appears when preparation meets opportunity. Online income works much the same way. The biggest mistake isn't lacking talent. It's waiting until you feel ready. Ask yourself this: if someone offered you $100 to earn by Sunday, would you spend today learning forever or selling something useful by tonight? That question separates dreamers from doers. And one tiny change in how you approach your very first dollar can completely transform everything that comes after it. Your first $100 online isn't about finding the perfect opportunity. It's about starting today. Pick one method, commit, take action, and let momentum do the rest.